Talking about cooking, we tested Borea's skills behind the cooking station. Okay, so we're all set to cook. Borea, what are we going to make first?
Let's do biryani, which is something that I myself love. I'm sure Sachin loves it. Several of the Indian cricketers do. Coming from Kolkata, biryani is one dish.
No, so this is a Kolkata biryani.
That's what I was about to come to. I don't think this is Kolkata biryani because I think this is a mishmash of everything. I don't think there is one particular biryani in the world actually. I mean, the Hyderabad, the Lucknow, the Kolkata one. I've read a lot about biryani. I mean, sort of being a foodie myself, a bit of a fan myself. So what I've learned and I've sort of pushed as my biryani, whether or not it's biryani, I don't know.
Lovely.
But it's a combination of chicken and rice, let's put it that way.
I love it.
But we'll try it.
We'll try it. Okay, come on. It's in your book, right?
It's in my book. It's in my book. I'll put a bit of ghee. I'm told by a number of our producers of the show and my friends that you love ghee and butter.
So we've got a little bit of oil. We've got a little bit of oil.
We've got chopped onions. We've got ghee. What I'll do is I'll make the chicken.
Okay.
And then like in Kolkata, we sprinkle sort of eggs on top, and we have fried chilies and fried onions, etc. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. It tastes quite good whenever I've made it. I don't know, for your show it might not, but
of course it will taste. Why shouldn't it taste good? It will taste good.
For the viewers, the whole point of this book and the point of this exercise, in real time you can do it in 35 minutes.
Oh.
So the whole point is you can still get the flavor of food. Maybe I'll not be able to do it like a chef, but you'll still get a biryani which is edible, which is nice, which is good tasting.
Look, I'll tell you something. Already the onions, the fragrance and the aromas coming out of these frying onions is really nice. If you fry them right, this biryani is going to turn out perfect.
So there I put in my garlic. There I put in a little bit.
Ginger, you need?
I will need ginger. You've just got to saute it for about 30 seconds to a minute. I'll do the tomatoes now. Now I'll put in a little bit of my powders.
Okay, what is this? This is garam masala. No, what is this?
This is the jeera.
Okay.
I'll put in a little bit of the coriander. You give me the garam masala if it's there.
There is garam masala here.
There is there.
Red chili powder, haldi.
Yeah, give it to me as well. You want it spicy? You want it
medium?
Medium? Okay. A little bit of the green chilies, just. This masala is ready.
Okay.
And here's when I will add my chicken.
Okay, now what have you done to the chicken?
I've marinated it with yogurt. I've marinated it with a little bit of the powder, the jeera and a little bit of salt.
Okay.
So I'm going to add this now.
More for this chicken to be ready. There's no water in it, only the masalas of the chicken. Because it's boneless, it's going to cook really fast. So let's just have a little patience. 10 minutes.
So there you go. There it is. I'm going to add the rice. You get the thing sauteed for about 1 minute, which is maximum what you need. You add a little bit of the garam masala on top. There it is, done job.
Superb.
Once I'm through with the garam masala, I've mixed it with the thing. I'm going to take it off.
It smells really nice. I bet this is going to taste very nice, but we won't know till later on. So here we are. Borea's biryani is ready. 35 minutes.
That's it.
Fantastic. Okay, so the biryani is ready. Let's see what he's got up his sleeve after this.